Okay, got that Motown thing happening again. Didn't quite get the cadence of the blinking LEDs to match up quite with the tempo of the song, but love that Marvin Gaye. Anyway, let's get back to the lab here. So the lab is relay lab, and what we've got going is a pair of LEDs that are flashing alternately, and the time has been adjusted from the basic default of 1 or 2,000 millisecond delay to 250 millisecond delay to give us a little faster flashing. The notes explain that the flashing occurs between two sets of contacts at the relay switching between normally open, normally closed. There's also a diode that's popped in here, and the diode is, let me see if I can point it out here. It is right up there. Nope, wrong side of the pen. There's the diode right there. That's a 1N4148, and it's being used as what we call a flyback diode to eliminate any kind of voltage spikes that we're likely to see. Another challenge that I'd really like to point out is the type of small signal transistor that you're using in your kits. Two things. First of all, if you're using a 2N2222, the pin outs as you're looking at the face of the unit are EBC from left to right. If you're using a BC337, it's CBE. So how the transistor is facing in the circuit has everything to do with hooking it up correctly versus not. So you should always refer to the data sheets in order to determine what your specific pin outs are. But on that note, with respect to the transistor, is a very interesting thing. If I pull the transistor out of the circuit completely, here's my transistor right over here. I am going to yank that puppy out and change the trigger pin to come directly over to the relay coil. I can run this without the transistor. Very, very interesting. So we'll talk about the reasons why in a follow-up video. The next video will go to show a further modification of this. Will include a outboard relay block to control some higher current devices. So on that note, we'll sign off for the first page of this Cisco Relay Lab, and enjoy some Marvin Gaye on the way out.